I've got hold of some Kettle chips Sriracha Mayo so that we can check to see if they are taste buds or taste duds. So let's open them, let's see what they smell like to start with. So they smell kind of like Sriracha. They smell like Kettle chips, they smell like normal chips. Let's have a look. So you can see they've got a little bit of a dust in of the flavour over them. Straight off, first flavour, sour cream. Tastes like sour cream crisps. Not really getting the Sriracha. So it says on the back that they take inspiration from street food markets around the world to bring a spicy zing of Sriracha paired with creamy mayo to create a delicious, tasty combo. They are tasty, they are nice, but they don't have the spicy zing of Sriracha. They do have that kind of sour cream, cream cheese and chive, that kind of flavour to them. It might be that once you kind of like get through some of the bag, the spice might build up. But I don't think so. They're nice, I like them. Don't get me wrong. On the scale of taste buds to taste duds, I'm going to have to give these 6.4. It seems like a bit of a low score. I like the product, they are tasty, but they're not Sriracha Mayo. They're cream cheese and chive, they're sour cream. They're just not the product that they say they are on the packet. I think we can do better. Let's make some Sriracha mayonnaise. This couldn't be easier. In fact, I don't even think this is a recipe. We've got some Sriracha, we've got some mayonnaise. I've got a lemongrass Sriracha, which is fantastic. It's got a beautiful lemongrass kind of flavour that sits underneath it. And we've got some Kewpie mayonnaise. You could use your standard Hellmann's if you want, but if you can get hold of Kewpie mayonnaise, it's got that extra kind of funky, eggy taste. It's superb and works really well in Sriracha Mayo. Also, we've got some homemade Kettle chips. They're as easy as taking some potatoes, slicing them really finely, whacking them in the air fryer for 7 or 10 minutes, getting them out and draining them, and they're super crunchy and absolutely perfect. Sriracha Mayo. We're going to start with some Sriracha, and we're not going to measure this. We're just going to kind of eyeball what we think would be nice. So I'm guessing that's around about a teaspoon of Sriracha. And we'll go in with probably twice as much, so 2 heaped teaspoons of mayonnaise. We'll see what that's like. And if we need to add some more Sriracha, then we can do. If we need to add more mayonnaise, then that's absolutely fine. So I'll give that a little taste. Oh, a little bit of a kick. Not too much of a kick. I think we can go in with a little bit more Sriracha. So we'll go in with probably another half a teaspoon. Give that a stir. See that beautiful orangey red colour coming through. That's beautiful. How easy was that? Our homemade Sriracha mayonnaise, that beautiful Sriracha flavour, the spiciness, the creaminess of the mayonnaise, and our homemade Kettle chips as well. If we take a Kettle chip, dip it in that mayonnaise, listen to the crunch. Chef's kiss. Kettle chips. If you'd done this, you'd be getting 8.9, maybe even 9.2. But 6.4 is your score. Will I be buying them again? Maybe I will, but not if I want that sriracha hit.